Friends, this is Manish Khanna. Today I'm going to be showing you the yummiest eggless upside down cake, which is a peach upside down. It's very easy, and it is a crowd pleaser, and everybody is going to love it. So let's get started. For the eggless peach upside down, we will be using butter, brown sugar, water, peaches. This is for the topping. I have used canned peaches here, but if peaches are in season, please use 2 fresh peaches. For the cake, we will be using melted butter, brown sugar, normal sugar, milk, curd, vanilla essence, flour, baking soda and baking powder. To make the topping, I have taken brown sugar in a pan, to which I will add the water, and I will start cooking this till the sugar has dissolved. We are only going to dissolve the sugar. We are not going to cook it to make it caramel. I am heating the sugar till it dissolves. Once the sugar has dissolved, I will switch off the induction. To this, we will then add the butter, and we will just stir it around till the butter melts. I have taken an 8-inch round tin, which I have greased and put butter paper down. In this tin, I will add the sugar, brown sugar and the butter mix, and just spread it around so that it is evenly all around the base. Slice the peaches, and the sliced peaches, I will start placing them in the tin. You can place it however you want the design to be, and we need to cover the whole the tin with these sliced peaches. I have finished covering the base with the peaches. You will be left over with a little peach, which you can chop up, and we'll fold it into the cake batter. Next, we will take the flour and put the baking powder and the baking soda and mix it around so that it is well incorporated into the flour. Bowl, I have taken the melted butter, to which I have added the brown sugar and the normal white sugar. You can use either castor or grain, whatever is available for you. You can use that, and we will start mixing it. Once it is mixed well, to this I will add the yogurt, the curd that we had, and mix this till it is well mixed. Once it is well mixed, to this we will add the vanilla essence, the flour that we had, and the milk, and the leftover peaches that I had. I have chopped them, and this I will again mix till we have a smooth mixed batter, and make sure there are no lumps in this. As you can see, the cake batter is ready. I will take the tin in which we had prepared the peaches, and very gently I will pour this into the tin. Once I have done that, this cake is ready to go into a 180-degree oven for about 35 to 40 minutes till it is done. Let us just cut through the cake. As you can see, the knife is just gliding inside the cake. It is super yum, and it tastes fabulous. Just see the crumb of the cake. Very soft and very nice.
सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल को और प्रेस कीजिए बेल आइकन, ताकि हम लाते रहें आपके लिए सिंपल बेकिंग रेसिपीज।